Dude, she's gonna break.
Do you have to eat those cookies?
She will break.
Those cookies and those.
There's everything behind a post-it.
You have no money for price on the things that have been bought.
Oh my god,
It's
you got 3
$111.
Dorito bags?
111.
Yeah. Although you just bought
I do
5
want
more
to
things,
try
I didn't
those
get the price of
cheeseburger
those.
burritos. Kind of intrigued. Look, man,
111.
I believe in you.
Yo, you got 3 hours left. Why don't you take 5?
Right, you don't have to quit. You can just take a break.
Why don't you go eat at Take 5, actually? And then you can readdress.
I don't know, maybe if I rock a deuce here in a minute, it might help. Yeah, clear some
Do it
space,
up,
man.
dude.
Clear the deck.
Just go across the street and do that.
You gotta clear the aircraft carrier deck to get some more planes in there. That's all I'm saying. You gotta drop them down the little chute. You gotta put them below deck.
Look, dude, just don't throw in this towel until 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the thing.
Like
Like,
3
if
different
I'm not
tasting
gonna
cakes,
make
that's
it.
brutal.
Yeah, one of us will drive you home.
Oh, now look at you. Now you're just wallowing in my misery.
All
Alright, I need those gummy bears. Gummy bears.
Gummy bears are next.
I got it.
All right, man.
No, I don't want to contribute. I'll feel really bad if you hurt yourself.
On gummy bears? What's he gonna do? Slip?
Yeah,
The rest of
they're,
us already
they're
accepted
cute.
the
I've
concept.
already contributed.
They're cute little
to
bears.
this.
She has.
I have
I will
actually
confirm
already
that.
contributed. I'll get you gummy bears if I can eat
Yeah,
your
don't-
Cheez-Its, but I think you already ate your Cheez-Its.
Yeah, I already ate the Cheez-Its.
Don't
Alright,
throw
don't
it.
worry about it.
Don't throw in the towel yet, dude.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we're gonna stick
Take a
with it.
break.
Take some time.
All right, we figured it out.
Break!
Right? Good job, John. We knew you could do it.
I didn't do it yet.
Hey, man, why don't you just eat that? Take 5. Just relax a little bit. This is gonna be the death of you right here.
Dude, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Like
the condensation crimpets.
We have paramedics standing by the way.
No. I do have a contract that says none of us are liable if he dies.
All right. The shoes are tied together.
Dom just rode away on a unicorn. Look.
Turn that goddamn camera off. Get that camera out of my
See?
face.
It's a sodium. You're a different person now. There you go.
I become
make it all
someone
better.
else and I don't like him.
That'll make it all better. Take 5.
John's kitties are going, hello? Hello? Is anybody else out there?
0 trans fats though. Oh, thank God.
Did you finish your
No,
2.5 of your Take 5 bar?
I've taken 2.5.
Just press the bar into the peanuts and you can eat them all at once.
Peanuts, that's a lot.
Yeah, no.
The color in your face is starting.
You don't look well.
That, not the rest of
Welcome. It's not fun.
the big names a little bit.
And tuna.
Tuna, no.
always a nice
That's
addition.
disgusting. There's a
About-
lot of peanuts. Why do you have 2 sets of peanuts?
They're different packages. About here. Really stopped tasting good.
Shut up. So you like basically just didn't even taste good. Ew, what are these things like butter crunchers?
Yeah.
Were they good?
Butter crunchers sound real good.
That's a lot of sodium.
Probably the Fritos or the pretzels. These things are always. I think salted nuts. I think there was a bag of that.
You can do it. Make the sodium your bitch. Nice.
We're rodeo on, Jeff.
You
not
would
going by
agree with
rules.
this. Who
He's more than halfway.
West
Lauren's
Coast.
idea, right?
West Coast?
Or Midwest.
Hey.
Are you eating the shortbreads too? Is that part of it?
No.
No.
Can we throw that in there?
I'm not going to be here.
kidding.
I expect to come in tomorrow and find this giant ball of chewed bubble gum on my
See a
desk.
body outline.
Yeah, you might.
Huh?
You see a body outline on the ground.
I hope you,
Johnny,
you
are
don't
you
blow us
running
like
out of
a
steam?
bumblebee.
Are you?
Oh, yeah. In a big
You're
way.
looking pretty fucking pale.
I always look pale.
Dude,
That's what makes
That's my jeans, dude. I come here calling out people's
Look at,
skin
look
color.
at, doesn't his nose look different?
21st century, can't be doing that. Hey, next year you say I use that in my own
Anybody have a
bathroom.
nurse? Do they know if this amount of sodium is good for him or what?
It's not good.
We've tried looking it up. It's definitely well beyond, your daily
eating-
average, right?
Right now it's like eating 4 boxes of soup.
Boxes of soup.
Like, yeah, like eating.
Making it.
Like making it, not eating back from a box.
No, I just meant like dried soup.
It's like 3 salt shakers at McDonald's. That's all.
Oh, gross.
Poor kid.
It's
Can you give me something easy next?
there's nothing easy. Like nothing has tasted good in hours.
Then you wish you had the tuna.
Like after the
now.
second thing, I haven't enjoyed anything. Like
But not even
So the
that.
only
Take
thing
5
that
are
will
the best
taste
candy
good
bars ever.
is the sweet, sweet victory when we're done.
And a
Good
beer.
point.
Although it might smell a little bit like
You can't
throw
put
up.
a beer in that stuff.
He's like 20 nothing. He could fit a lot more in that stuff.
Yeah, man versus food can be more than that.
You
Man
should
versus
have-
machine.
You should have eaten lettuce
Johnny,
for
are
a
you gonna be
week
here
to
tomorrow, or are you
prepare.
gonna be
Yeah.
upset?
Big thing of
I'll be
lettuce. Stretch out
We
the
need-
stuff.